What's going on, everybody? Larry back with you today to do my daily recap for today, Thursday, 9/25. It was a crazy day today in the market. It was moving. That's the way I like it. The candles was just a little whippy though. You know, hindsight, looking back at the chart, it looks like it was a good day, but it was still kind of whippy. We will go ahead and jump into this sucker and get it going. I have my numbers pulled up right here. I did pass another eval with Apex. Like I said, I want to try to get back to 20. But other than that, all my accounts ended green. Some of them, you know, was a little on the low side, but still they're over 50 bucks. And I'm in no hurry on my funded accounts. I'm just trying to get them all to pay out. If you take out the 3,200 for the eval, you know, I still ended up making 2,200 bucks. So you can't complain about that. Apex is running a deal right now. It is 80% off and $85 activation fee. If you want to, you can use code ODT for the best deals. Just kind of help support the channel. And hopefully one of these days I'll be able to get to a point to where I can, you know, give accounts away or whatever. You know, I like to try to give back. But again, we'll go ahead and jump into the chart and run over it real quick. Let me find my button here. And again, I'll try to make this video a little shorter. I know yesterday's ran a little long. Like I said, it looks like I have my chart blew up, but I've actually got it shrunk some. But that is just, the candles was crazy today. The market was moving and it was just a crazy day. You can see right here, this blue line right here, and the blue line's actually behind this red dotted line. That is the 15-minute opening range. It never did break to the bottom side. We did break through the top. This is a perfect W pattern. I mean, it was a complete reversal today. It's pretty. This right here, like I said the other day, is a A+ setup for me. We're right at VWAP and the top of the 15-minute opening range. I took this trade. I actually recorded it. I'll play it here in a second. We'll go on through the chart, but I like the VWAP being on my chart because you can see we broke through it. We come right back to it, pushed up, come right back to it again. We pushed up again. We broke through it this time, and I took this trade too. I didn't record it. We broke through, pushed back to it, and failed again. I actually entered right here and I played to the downside. I got out way too early because, boy, that sucker was gone. And you can see we pushed through VWAP again, pulled right back to VWAP, pushed right back up, and it just bounced off it the rest of the day. I mean, if you want your chart as clean as possible, I think that's all you would need on there is VWAP. We'll go ahead and get into this video. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me close this out here. Let me find this. I got too many buttons up. Like I said, I'll go ahead and hit play, and I may have to fast forward this some just a little bit to get to where we need to be. I was getting ready to draw a bull flag. Like I said, this is an A+ setup for me. I drew my line. I am waiting for it to break through my bull flag. I'm going to enter and play to the upside. I actually got out. Well, it ticked me out. I moved my stop loss up too early. You can see my profit right here is at 0 right now. I have not traded this account yet. This is the first time I traded today. I was trying to rotate through all my accounts. Like I said, it's kind of stressful, you know, just trying to get through every one of them accounts. I'm just waiting for it to push through and I'm going to enter the trade. Let me pause this. To me, why I think this is an A+ setup, we just reclaimed VWAP. We just pushed above it. We're right at the top of the 15-minute opening range. That's kind of like double confirmation for me. Plus, there's a bull flag. I mean, it don't get no prettier than that for me. I mean, some people might not play that, but I'll play it every time. Like I said, it pushed through. I got in the trade. I entered the trade, and I am going to grab my stop loss and drag it up with me. I should have waited just a little bit, but where the market was so whippy today, I mean, it was whipping, you know, 10, 15, 20 points. I didn't want to get in profit and then it, you know, come against me. So I moved it up just a little early. I blew my screen up just a little bit. I move it up, we're pushing. I move it on up, I place it, and I'm getting ready to move it again. I'm hoping the market will push, and it got me out. I'll pause this again. You can see right here, I made 240 bucks on that trade. And I'll do that every time that setup appears for me. I'll take it. I mean, I don't even think about it. That is a A+ setup just because we have reclaimed VWAP and we're pushing back to the 15-minute range and a bull flag. I mean, that is three things right together. But that is it. I'll make this video short and sweet. Again, Apex is having a deal. Like I said, 80% off, $85 activation fee. I think they got it running for 4 or 5 days. You can use code ODT if you want to. And hey, I guess that'll be it for today. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow.